About, bitch, I'm from Texas, man. Hey, what go down? Whoop de whoop, bitch, I'm from Texas, man. Bro, it sings, what it do? Bitch, I'm from Texas, man. That's on my mama, I swear to God, bitch, I'm from Texas.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Back again with another video. Right now, I'm heading to Uriel shop. Gonna go ahead and start working on this motor swap. He's gonna be doing most of it. I mean, whenever I have a chance to go over there and help him out at his shop, I'm gonna help him out. But since I have my full-time job and he's technically, that's what he does. He's a salesman, mechanic, everything, you name it. He does all that good stuff. So yeah, he's gonna be taking care of the swap for me. I'm gonna be able to go every now and then when I get off work, see what I can help out with. But I'm not gonna record all the process. But yeah, we're heading over there right now, and I'll catch you on the few, show y'all what's been happening. All right, guys, so we're pulling up. So what I'm gonna be doing is since I'm not gonna be recording the whole process, I'm gonna just record in part. So I'll probably put like part 1, part 2, part 3 all in one video, just to make it easier. Oh, he already started on it. Here, I'll show y'all. Let's see. Did I fit through here? Yeah, I fit through there. Dang, look at that. What happened there? What the fuck? Hell no. Let's go check out what the process has been. This is crazy right here. Oh man. What the hell is this? What the fuck is this? Well, guys, I can see my boy's been doing some pretty good damn work. Oh snap! It's gonna be fun. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna look for him right now. I don't know where he's at, and we'll see what he's been doing. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Can't believe I'm really doing this. What'd you do? Huh? What?
I fingered my butthole.
Ha! Gay! I'm gonna have to beep that out. What motor is this? 5.3?
This is a 6.6 diesel.
6.6 diesel? What's going in next?
A 6.4.
Damn.
Who's Ford diesel.
Whose truck is this?
This is my truck.
Your personal?
No, I use this as a shop truck.
Damn.
You can tell, I mean, it's a little bit.
Kind of looks like mine. Just a little bit.
I bought it from some guy. He said that just found it. You know what? I'll give you $1,000 for it. I won't say who stole it.
Fuck it. Is there's the new motor right there? Sheesh.
It's all covered up.
Crazy, man. You're crazy. You're a crazy man. You're crazy for this.
This is his technique.
Bye-bye V6. Hello, another V6.
Ya te queda así como. Tendrá razón, tendrá razón. Ya se lo ve y empieza a picarle.
Hablas con las cosillas, no le vas a tomar la cadena.
Dice que tengo la mitad de la propiedad. Muy bueno.
Sea la mitad, sea completo, Mike. Si el güey se pone a pensar, ¿de qué le sirve que completa si no la tiene?
No le entendí las patas.
La flecha de ahí atrás.
No está atornillada, pero todavía está puesta.
Pues trata de sacarla.
¿Y el soporte de la tensión?
Ya está quitado. Repeat after me.
Nope. Damn. What happened here? Wasn't there something right here? It's okay. I didn't want that motor anyway. All done. Damn. You get down, bro. Here, I'll sell you this 6.0 LS swap right here. For sale, not on sale. That says V8. Oh, time to clean up. Head home. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's little part 1. Like I said, I'm gonna just be putting it in parts because it's gonna be a few days to be doing this, and well, I'm not gonna be able to be coming every single day, just whenever I can. So today I was able to come grab a few clips. As y'all can see, motor pulled out, motor with trans, and pretty sure y'all are wondering why he took off the cab and everything, just to make it easier. Everything pulled out easier and faster. I know there's different ways of doing this, but you know, everybody has their own ways, you know. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I think tomorrow he's gonna go ahead and start putting the motor together. He's gonna put the mounts on it, motor mounts. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come tomorrow, but if I do, I'm gonna record. But yeah, next time part 2, just stay tuned for it. I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be me being here, the motor going in, or me coming over here and everything's already done. But stay tuned. I'm gonna try to keep this going. But yeah guys, I'll catch you on part 2. Yo, what's up everybody? We're back at it again. Guessing this will be part 2, part 3, I think. Heading over to my boy's shop. I went over there the other day, but it was already too dark to record. But everything's pretty much done now. I'll show y'all what he's done. Swap's basically done. All we just need is the little stuff, you know, just adding oil and all that good stuff to the motor. Then we gotta go take it to get tuned, and hopefully I can get a video of it turned on and everything. So that's gonna be coming pretty soon. Stay posted. Besides that, I don't know if I've mentioned this, but man, if y'all watching this and y'all not subscribed, do the favor, you know, click that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, or if you've been watching but you just don't want to subscribe just yet. I mean, maybe this is the time to do it, but hope you guys are enjoying the content. We're gonna bring some good content now since we have some more to record about. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, because it's about to get real. But yeah guys, I'm head over to O'Reilly's to get a couple things, head over to the shop, and I'll show y'all the progress here in a few. What's going on here?
Oh, nothing. We just got some metal shavings. Oh, look, there you go with your fucking Chuck King.
Oh, what the fuck? Well, we're here today. We need an update of what's happened. Mister over here finished the full swap in a day.
No.
Look at that.
It's so...
Bro, you don't know how to aim.
Me?
Look at all those spots everywhere.
It's your damn truck.
Well, I was gonna do the oil change myself, but you didn't let me.
This truck doesn't want to accept it. Oh, look, there's metal shaving.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Look.
Wait. Don't listen to this. You've had too many
Look, it is
Modelos.
metal shaving. Look.
No, there's not.
Look, dude.
You added them. Like I was saying, we need an update.
Well, Josh is gay.
Sorry, Josh. If you're watching this, hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. It's time to pop the hood. Damn, all trusty dusty, right?
It's all dirty, though.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I got numbers written all over.
It's okay. Just pop the hood. That way they can see.
Oh. I feel like I forgot something.
No. Y'all about to see what this man has been doing for the past 24 hours.
Hey, you know one thing I forgot to change?
What now?
Your filter.
What filter? You did put a new filter in there.
Yeah, we're gonna change this one.
Oh, okay. Well, that's off the truck. Let's see what this says.
If you can.
It says...
It says that you're gay.
Ooh, what does that say right there, boy?
Yeah. Guess what? So somebody was.
Oh, hey, we forgot
They
to.
hit a lick on your damn gas.
We forgot about that.
Did we turn the ground down?
Cut. Wow, what's wrong with it? All right, just a little sneak peek. Yeah, guys, here it is. Swap is done. Ta-da-da, it's a little dirty. Don't pay attention. Got some headers. We're gonna change these wires. Brand new hoses. Brand new belt. I'm about to get this throttle body ported because gotta have ported. New lines for the AC. Sheesh. What else you put? New radiator? I'm not fucking slow no more.
Hey, you are. You're not.
Don't listen to this guy. He's gonna get beat. Calling on the gas. I want moonshine.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, guys, there you go. If y'all need any swaps done, hit up this man over here. Hey, what can they hit you up at?
I'm not doing this no more.
Yes, you are.
No, man.
Get paid, young nigga, get paid.
I'm gonna tell Frank you taking the shit too.
Yeah, but anyways, yeah, hit him up. I think tomorrow is gonna get tuned, right? You're gonna tune it?
Yeah.
You're gonna get down with the tune
I'm
tomorrow?
gonna put a Flintstone.
I mean, as long as it runs, shit, that's all that matters. But yeah, this will be for episode number 4. Right? Episode number 4 or 5? Tomorrow? Yeah. I got a doctor's appointment. Hey, I'm down. I'm down for the down. Yeah, that's what's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow, I got a doctor's appointment. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. There she is. Hopefully everything turns on good. And we're good to go. Really, you're gay, motherfucker. Josh, come get your man. Spill it. Spill it. Spill it.
What?
Spill it.
Bitch, you probably would have spilled more.
Nah. I know how to aim.
Yeah.
There. It says that's enough. Fuck. What is this? Why does it look like a V6 cover?
I think I forgot to connect one hose.
Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, guys. As y'all can see, it's not a V6 no more. Man, this man got down. Now we hope for the best. See if this thing turns on with no issues. Gotta get a tuner. I think I found one, but we'll see. Keep y'all posted. But yeah, let's hope everything turns out good, cause man, this is gonna be fun. 6-0 Joe 6-0, one of those. We'll see. Stay tuned. The front one was already messed up.
It's not my fault.
What are we doing? Uh-oh.
That's not like that.
Uh-oh.
Why you gotta wait 10 minutes?
Why you turn on my underglow, fool? Look at this. Check this out. Ooh, boy. Doesn't that look fire? Hit him up.
We didn't work for the light. Maybe.
Okay, fine.
I don't know.
Stay tuned. Bye.
You're gay.
You spilled it.
I just put shit.
Fucking Josh.
Is this power steering?
Oh, what the fuck? Why is this only... It says blinker fluid. dummy.
Chuck. Oh, no.
Hey, why is that light still on? Why is the light still on?
You gotta wait. It takes like 30 minutes.
I know. We got action.
Ready?
Go.
Ready?
up, everybody? I forgot to close out the video yesterday, but as y'all can see, motor turned on, everything looked good. Just a couple little things here and there that needed to get adjusted, but man, still can't believe it myself that I did a 6.0 swap of my truck, man. It's crazy, man, but from now on, hopefully better things come, you know. But yeah, we just got a couple things left over. I think I need some O2 sensors for to go get an exhaust done, but that's all gonna be on the next videos. I think all of this is already done, so it's basically it, you know. I'm gonna close out this vlog. I think it was what, 3-4 parts to it. Right now I'm gonna head over there to Euro Shop one more time, see what's going on, but I don't think there's gonna be any more on this vlog. So I hope you guys are enjoying, man. I hope you guys are enjoying as much as I'm enjoying doing this. Man, it's crazy. It's still unbelievable that I heard. And I wasn't even he didn't even want to let me hear it turn on. He was like, nah, you're gonna need to get it tuned, you're gonna need to do that. But I don't know, something told me that it has to be a way to get it to turn on and crank it or something. I just wanted to hear it. And it's pretty loud because it's open headers right now, and I still don't know what type of exhaust to go with, but we'll see. That'll be on another vlog. But yeah, I'll catch you in a few.
Man. Now what y'all know about them boys?
Bitch, I'm from Texas,
man.
That be the heart of the South, where they sip lean and ride on foes and keep a grill in their mouth. If you ain't from my side of town, then stay your ass in the house. Them Texas boys will do you grimy, boy, you know what we bout. But say, lil' ho,